In this video, I'm going to show you how to Chrome split screen and swap tabs in just a few clicks. This is a super useful feature if you want to compare two websites side by side, take notes while reading, or work faster without constantly switching between tabs. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips and computer tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version, because split view features can vary depending on your browser version. If you don't see the same options, updating Chrome can usually fix that. Next, open the two tabs or web pages that you want to use side by side. These can be anything you want to compare, like documents, articles, dashboards, or research pages. Once both tabs are open, you're ready for the split screen setup. Now, right-click on the tab that you want to split. After that, look for the option that says New Split View with Current Tab. Click that option, and Chrome will place that tab into split view. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may open a side-by-side layout automatically, making it much easier to view two pages at once. Once your split view is active, look near the top right area of Chrome, close to the address bar or tab controls. This is where you should see the split view controls. Find the button or menu option labeled Arrange Split View. This is the main control that lets you manage how the two tabs are displayed. Click Arrange Split View, and Chrome will show you the layout options for the split screen. From there, you can organize the tabs exactly how you want them. If one tab is on the left and the other is on the right, you can keep them that way, or adjust the arrangement depending on your workflow. If you want to swap the tabs, click Reverse Views. This is the fastest way to switch the left tab with the right tab without dragging anything around or closing either page. Chrome instantly swaps them, so the tab that was on the left moves to the right, and the tab that was on the right moves to the left. That's the easiest way to split screen and swap tabs in Chrome. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time if you work with multiple pages every day. Instead of jumping back and forth between tabs, you can keep everything visible and organized in one place. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.